welcome to my channel. If you can hear my background, you know that it is rain. And when it have bad weather, you can't go anywhere. What's the best thing to do? Not stay inside and have some fun? One single palette. BOXYCHARM and PUR palette. These are the colors. Right? Those are the colors. Now this palette is not a palette that I usually use on its own. I mean, it is a good palette, but I have never used this palette on its own. So I wanted to try it out today, as well as I haven't used this palette in such a long time. I consider it like a forgotten palette. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to create a look using the forgotten palette. So we're going to jump right into the makeup. Hope you guys enjoy and see you in the next video.
Did you sleep on the wrong side? Catching a bad vibe, and it's contagious. What's the latest? Speak your heart, don't bite your tongue. Don't get it twisted, don't misuse it. What's your problem? Let's resolve. We can solve it. What's the cause? It's official. You got issues, I got issues, but I know I miss you. Who should be hurt? Who should be blamed? Am I supposed to change? Are you supposed to change? Who should be hurt? Who should be shamed? Am I supposed to change? Are you supposed to change? Who should be hurt? Will we remain? Oh, I need a resolution. We need a resolution. We need a resolution. We have so much confusion. Where were you last night? Fell asleep on the couch. I thought we were going out. I wanna know where your fingers broke. If you had let me know, I wouldn't have put on my clothes. It's 4 in the morning when you crept back in the bed. I wanna know what was in your head. Oh, what was in my head? Am I supposed to change? Am I supposed to change? Are you supposed to change? Who should be hurt? Who should be blamed? Am I supposed to change? Are you supposed to change? Who should be hurt? Who should be ashamed? Am I supposed to change? Are you supposed to change? Who should be hurt and will we remain? We need a resolution. We need a resolution. We need a resolution. We have so much confusion. Am I supposed to change? Are you supposed to change? Who should be hurt and who should be blamed? Am I supposed to change? Are you supposed to change? Who should be hurt? Who should be ashamed? Am I supposed to change? Are you supposed to change? Who should be hurt?